Hi viewers, welcome back to my channel. I hope all are doing great. So in this video I will explain you the topic is syllabus for Saudi PROMETRIC exam, and I will give you some tips and what are the questions they will ask in exam. So let's start the video. First one, fundamental of nursing, FON antam kada. So fundamental of nursing, in this fundamental of nursing they will ask like pediatric and including like normal vital signs and each and everything. Yeah, like percentage wise 10 percentage for FON. I'll go through that, just note it down. First one, FON 10 percentage. Second one, MSN 14 percentage. Third one, pediatrics 8 percentage, and psychiatric 8 percentage, maternity 8 percentage, and critical care 10 percentage, community 10 percentage, research and epidemiology 8 percentage, leadership and management 10 percentage. These are most important. From these only, from this syllabus only, the examiner will give that question pattern, like type of questions all I will explain, but most of the topics you have to cover, like leadership and management, very much important. Next, community, critical care, and MSN FON. These are the most important. After that you have to choose that maternity, psychiatric and pediatric. So it's depend upon the some people get community topics more questions, and some people get research and epidemiology more questions, like that. Not for all people same. So it's depend upon levels, the questions and the question paper pattern also changed. So second topic is that which type of questions mostly asked in Saudi Prometric exam, Saudi nursing license exam. Both names are same, don't confuse. So first one, scenario based questions. Second one, single line questions, like some questions have small only one line question, but options 4 options. Some questions lengthy question, like scenario based question. As a nurse, what you will do if the patient is fall down in front of you, or like in charge she came and she asked one question about that, what you will do in that particular scenario. So like that they will ask, like that the question will be there. So next one, choose the correct answer or match the following. Like they will give one side correct answer, one side wrong answer, you have to cross that. So I'll explain you in next video also about these particular questions. So next one, calculation, drug calculations is most important. And next, remove correct answer. If the question is correct but answers are 4 answers wrong options, but in that one answer only correct one, you have to select that correct one. So some questions like that. Sometimes remove the negative answer. So 4 correct, 3 correct options, 1 wrong option, so you have to check that wrong option. So like that they will confuse, but you should properly understand the question. In that question only answer will be there. So these type of questions they will ask in Saudi Prometric exam. Next one, for BSc and GNM, there is Saudi Prometric exam is syllabus and exam pattern is same or not. So exactly same, but the marks is different, like uh, 500 marks only, but the question paper pattern will be like tough and hard, like tough and easy. For BSc, same syllabus, and GNM same syllabus, exam pattern also same. But the thing is, BSc have the paper is little bit tough, like scenario based questions they will ask mostly, like that, little bit tough. But GNM, it's average, not even more tough, but average. So total process is same, and exam pattern also same. So when results come, example, if you've written exam today, after 30 days or 30 to 45 days the results will be announced. Before, now changed, before the Saudi government has issued the 10 to 15 days, my results came on after 15 days. So now it has been changed, so after 1 month only the results is coming. And on Monday, Wednesday and Thursday mostly the results will announced after 1 month. In that particular time, like 1 month it will come now, so in that particular time you have to attend for interviews, and any other source you have to check. How to check results, Saudi Prometric result, after 1 month, like every week you have to check, but the mostly now announced after 1 month only. It's not particular date, but in your session, after finishing your session, you have that eligibility ID number, hall ticket number, we called as hall ticket number. That number and your password, you have to enter the SCFHS. Go through Google and type SCFHS website. In that, type eligibility ID number and password, then you will get your pass or fail. So report will be there. So and mark sheet also they will mention in that. So next one, tips for exam. Before writing exam, I will give you some tips. First one, read each question properly, because the question is a little bit confusing, but you are concentrating here and there. There is no time, because on the screen the time is going on, 30 seconds, 40 seconds, like that it will decrease. So that time you should not concentrate on the timing, but you should focus on that question properly, because time is very much valuable in that particular session, right? So read question properly. Second one, recheck the options. Some question, when you are reading the question you will confuse, right? So check the proper options, whether the three options are correct or three options are wrong. So you should check that, then you will get identity. So is there correct or not? You should remove the wrong answer or right answer. So it is useful for you. Next one, use calculator if possible, because in on the top of the screen, they will right side the calculator is there. Don't worry about that, don't think much and write on paper. Just try to check that calculator and easily the work will finish. So next one, focus on scenario based questions properly and watch YouTube sessions videos. So when you are studying the PDFs or whatever the notes you have, just go through that YouTube sessions also, because mostly the YouTube channel has issuing that most of the people are taking that classes, right? YouTube sessions, you have to go through that revision, do revision, then you will get more knowledge how to write the exam. Next one, practice time management and coaching centers good selection. If you don't have that much knowledge to improve your knowledge and skills, and you have to uh, check that proper time duration, and you go through that coaching centers. They will give more guidance to how to write and how to take time management, then you will get idea. So this is the video, guys. If you like this video, please do subscribe our channel. Until then, keep watching my videos. Bye bye.